Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your account details and communication methods so you can recover access if something changes. Once done, update the Roblox client and your device operating system to eliminate version conflicts. Now disable VPNs or proxies and clear cookies and cache to remove stale session tokens. Sign in immediately after those steps, because persistent stale tokens often trigger logouts. This forces a fresh authentication exchange and creates a clean session you can manage. Next, lock down how Roblox treats your sessions by enabling two-step verification and confirming a current email or phone number so you can approve new logins. Once done, mark your primary devices as trusted during login and disable automatic site data, clearing in your browser or app settings so cookies that keep you signed in persist. Also check your account's active sessions and terminate any you don't recognize, because concurrent or suspicious logins often force the system to log you out. Finally, reinstall the Roblox client if corrupted files or crashes keep breaking sessions. Fresh installs reset local auth caches. Then audit connected apps and third-party OAuth tokens and revoke anything unfamiliar, and change your password to invalidate stolen tokens. If you still get logged out, try a different network to rule out ISP or router interference and gather timestamps and screenshots. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with those details so they can trace authentic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.